How to create a circle in Life360 app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Life360 app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to create a new circle in your account, here in this page at the top, you can see the name of the circle that you are in currently. You can tap on this drop-down list, and here you will be able to see an option of create a circle. Tap on it. You can create a name for your circle. Once you are done choosing the name, you can tap on it. And there you go. It will provide you the invite code so that you can invite your other friends in order to join this circle. So that's it. That's how you can easily create a circle in Life360 app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching, and keep creating more circles in your Life360 app accounts.